Welcome to the Metaworld. This is Zixel by Zipmex's first ever Metaverse exhibition in Southeast Asia. In this place, you can come to a cool NFT gallery. You can also discover Decentraland and immerse yourself into the Metaverse. You can also go to our NFT Factory where you can create your first NFT avatar and take it home with you.
So yeah, you guys can see right behind me, I just made my very own NFT at the Metaworld. And I also have it on my phone actually, so you guys can see it right here. They hosted their launch party on Decentraland, as well as like on ground in this like event space you see around you. We've set up this booth here where you can basically walk around on Decentraland.
อันนี้ก็เป็น QR code ที่ได้มาจากหน้างานนะคะเขาบอกว่าสแกนตรงนี้แล้วก็เราจะได้รู้ว่าเราได้รับรางวัลอะไรในวันนี้ด้วยโอเค
When you look at these NFTs actually, so each of them have a QR code and we can actually just scan these and it'll lead to Zixel's website where you can actually buy these NFTs.
Thanks for stopping by at the Metaworld. We'll see you on the Metaverse or at our next event.